Hey there, in today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that developers using MSVC may encounter. The problem revolves around how recent MSVC versions handle the NAN constant, causing issues with code compilation. The solution to this problem lies in understanding that MSVC no longer treats NAN as a constant expression, which is a deviation from the C standard. The NAN macro must be a constant expression of type float, as mandated by the C99 standard. To work around this issue, we can check the MSVC version using the _MSC_VR macro and redefining it accordingly. By setting a conditional statement based on the MSVC version number, we can revert NAN back to its previous definition to ensure compatibility and correct compilation. By including this simple workaround in your code, you can ensure that MSVC behaves as expected and resolves the issue with NAN constant expression. Remember, understanding compiler nuances can save you from frustrating bugs in your code. In summary, we've addressed a common problem faced by MSVC users regarding the NAN constant expression. By adhering to the C standard and implementing a version-specific workaround, you can navigate around MSVC's non-standard behavior and keep your code running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.